Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today's topic is treating acne. Before we get started, click that subscribe button and the notification bell. If you don't click the notification bell, you won't see any of our updates. So, how do you treat acne? Leave a comment below. Some people pop their pimples with Q-tips, like Anilsa Brown. Is that your preferred method? Others use a comedone extractor. That's Dr. Sanjali's method. Let's look at some examples. Other people go to a skincare professional, like Jada Kennedy, for their pops. Have you ever been to an esthetician to pop your pimples? Again, comment below with your preferred method of skincare treatment. Do you use over-the-counter salves or creams? Many people with cystic acne have seen major results with Accutane. Of course, squeezing your zits with your fingers is also a solution. Take a look at these examples, or check out our comedone extractor kit in the description below. Again, comment below what is your preferred method for fighting acne. We want to hear from you and read what others are saying. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own. Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today's video comes to us from the greatest medical Instagram page of all time. It's aptly titled @GreatestMedical. And coming up, more pops from this video. You're going to want to stick around for the big pop at the end. But first are these two amateur pops. Leave a comment below. Should we post more amateur pops? Here's a pop-in clip that got over 24,000 views. Click like for that. This picture is worth 1,000 words. On the left is a 250-pound woman, and on the right is a 120-pound woman. The additional fat surrounding her internal organs is one reason for concern. Let's zoom in on the heavier woman's heart. The yellow area represents fat deposits. You can see where that would be a strain on her circulation. Now, let's look at a few more pops. Also, this man's fungal nail has reached epic proportions. Wow. Now a bit more from our original clip. It'll continue after the Thinnergy video. I'll leave a link to the Instagram page below. It's the best, guaranteed. Good medical morning. This is Watson, your medical magnate, with another pimple popping week in review. Today, we're looking for some of the best new pimple pops around. While you watch these clips, make sure to click subscribe and the notification bell. Here we go. This person could use a better set of pimple popping tools. One that won't leave scars. My favorite kit is in the description below. Stay tuned for more about pimple popping kits. Well, that was a wild ride. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for info about Rest More for better sleep.
Good morning. I'm here to tell you that Rest More really works. I'm someone who used to feel really tired always in the afternoons just because I never slept well at night. But that's all changed now thanks to Rest More. If you want to have more energy all day, try and rest more before bed. I did. Buy restmore.com.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.